Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have my FabFitFun Summer box. I think I have a few add-ons that I did add also. So I'm excited for this one. I just got this the other day. Of course, I filmed the one day and it comes like later that night. I'm like, no. Let's get you open. It says out of office. Nice summery vibe. I'm just trying not to worry. It was sitting right next to me and she'll get whacked. Right? You sitting right next to me? Do you want to say hi? Yeah? Maybe she'll say hi. She's doing so... These boxes are so bulky. I know it's in your way, isn't it? Yeah, I'm sorry. So let's see what we have. I'm trying to figure this out without knocking stuff. I'm just going to move my little table away. They have all kinds of papers in here. I guess they do their little, like adverts and for Better Help, Hello Fresh, all that kind of stuff is always in here. Where do I start? I have my phone. Let me see if I can. Okay. These are what I picked. So for me, for customization number 1, I'll try to go in the order that they were. I chose this. I figured it can't hurt to have this. And this is the Francesca Bikini and Body Hair Trimmer. So I figured let me try that. Why not? It is sealed. So let's unseal it and see. This did have, I don't know if this, yeah, this was a choice. This was my first choice. I was like, I really don't, I can't get this open. Wasn't sure if I really needed it, but I figured, you know what, it can't hurt to have. You never, you know, like you never know. And this has a little, I have no room to work with. So it comes with a little pouch. The charger's probably, oh, this is going to go. The charger and stuff like that. It comes with a little, you know, pamphlet. And then this is what it looks like right here. Nice little, you know, trimmer. So I figured that it can't hurt to have that. You know, summer's coming. And you never know. You know, bathing suit season. All that good stuff. I figured it can't hurt whatsoever to try. I don't have anything like this. So it can't hurt to have that. So that was one of my choices that I chose, first choice. So for me, customization number 2, I chose this from First Aid Beauty. And this is an after shower nourishing body oil. I don't have this. And figured you know, in the summertime, if you're out, you know, out and about, I know like my skin gets very dry in like the early winter. Then it balances out in the summer. My skin gets very dry. So since this was after shower body oil, I'm like, I would put this in my bathroom and use it right after. I do believe things like this, like you can still be like damp or still have water on you and rub it in and put it on that way. So I'm excited for that. The third choice, I'm just trying to find all the stuff. Oh, there it is. I chose the Skincare Tools Depuffing Mask. So this is Cryothermal Recovery Mask. Hopefully that's the same thing that I see on my phone here. So I figured let's, you know, some tools, maybe some things that I wouldn't necessarily pick. I figured let me choose that. So I'm just going to show you this. So this is what it looks like. It has, you know, like you can put it around. And these are all like gel beads in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's interesting. So I guess you could put this in like the fridge. Chilled, yeah. Or heated. I would have to read the, let me see. How long does it say? It gives you the directions, like for heat. Microwave the mask for 10 to 15 seconds. And then, you know, you can put it in the fridge. I don't necessarily, I wouldn't freeze something like that. I would put it in the fridge. So that was my choice number 3. My choice for number 4 is right here. I can tell by the bottle. And this is a glossy glaze from, who is this from? DP Hue. And this is sheer transparent. This is supposed to add, and I've seen these type glazes like in colors, where if you know, blonde and browns and deeper tones, like if you wanted to, and I do believe this is like it's not a permanent 2-minute conditioning glaze. And this just puts a lot of shine in your hair. I'm going to leave it in the little bag. I obviously would shake it up. You know, you would put it on. So I'm excited for that. I've seen the colored ones, and I was tempted, but of course, I don't know if I would use them just because of all the natural blonde in my hair. I don't know what that would do to it, but I figured a clear is not going to hurt. And then the next, is that this? No. Where? Oh, wait here. The next item, no, that's not it either, is it? Yeah. My customization number 5 is from a brand called Geometry, and this is a fitness towel for the gym. I've heard so many great things about Geometry from a channel that I watch. It's called This Alaska Life. Lovely channel, wholesome family channel. And she gets the Geometry, like kitchen towels, bath towels. I don't know if she gets, if it's all just towels or if they have other linens. But I figured, let me try this from a box before I go ahead and order anything. And a lot of times when she shares Geometry on her channel, and it's YouTube, by the way, and I'm sure she has other socials, but I watch her on YouTube. Sometimes she offers a discount code. So I figured, let me try it here. So this is like pink and blue. So figured perfect opportunity before I purchase. And then, what was the other thing that I chose? Is it this? I'm not sure if this is it. Oh, yes, it is. So we'll put this in here. So it comes in this box right here. And this is from Year and Day. And this is a nice little dish. And this is a spoon rest. I could have swore I had a spoon. I've had a spoon rest that was like a longer, narrower one. Didn't love it. Because like if I'm putting a spatula down, it kind of didn't work. Some of my wooden spoons that were too long handled, they would fall off and all that. So I figured something like this. So you can see the little, when I'm cooking, you know, to put my wooden spoon down or my spatula, things like that on this. And these are easy to clean up. I don't think you had a choice in the color. Not that it mattered to me for something like that. And then I could just leave it next to my stove or, you know, clean it up and, you know, I could put it away. Let me just get these other items out of here so I can get some room and put these in here. Oh, yeah. Okay, Oreo moved, so now I can use where she was, like, leaning. This is part of an add-on. And this is called Clean Key, the safe way to avoid contaminated surfaces. And it just looks like a key. I think this was like 50 cents. And like you can use this is that? Yeah, that is my phone. To open doors, to push buttons. You can put your keys on it. Like it helps you, you can see right there. It does so many useful things. You could touch a screen, like maybe like at a gas station where you have to touch and you don't necessarily want to touch. This would be easy then to clean. Doors, buttons, you can attach your keys. And I figured, you know what, something like that might come in handy. So I was going to try it. I'm trying to think where my other, there they are. Yeah, I do think that was like 50 cents. I do have my phone here. Key Smart Clean Key, yeah, 50 cents. The next thing I chose, which was $8, is from Summer and Rose. These are hand towels, a set of 2. I'm not going to open these. And you can see the coloring. Nice little, like, neutral beigey cream. Just to replace some hand towels, like in some bathrooms. Excited for that. I try to pick items, whether add-ons or for my box. Excuse me. Allergies are driving me crazy. That are useful. That I will use without, you know, without a doubt. This was a free add-on. We get tons of this stuff, like in boxes, Walmart, in this box, Degree. And this is a dry spray. So, let me see. Is this still antiperspirant? I wanted to see. And this says sexy, what does that say? Sexy Intrigue. I don't know if that's a specific scent. So that was, you know, free in the box. This was $2, but I wanted to try this. This is from Soap and Glory, the Fab Pore Refining Sheet Mask. Wanted to try that for like across here where my pores are and my nose that are a little bit bigger. I know this doesn't, like, sometimes it covers your nose a little bit. Just to see if, you know, how good they are. And if they're any good, then I will purchase them. That was $2. And this was expensive. This was $13 for my add-on. And this is from HIGHR, Higher Collective. And this is a lipstick, right? Yeah, lipstick. And this is in Pamela. And they have a bright label on it, but it's not bright like that. So here's the packaging. So it's a, you know, a flat. And how do you open? Okay, and it comes, you know, comes with a mirror. And I do have a hair that's driving me crazy. So it has a mirror, like when you put the tube in, which is nice when you're out. And then this is the lipstick right here. So let's give it a little swatch and see. Oh, that is creamy. And there's the shade right there. Oh, I like that. I like that you just put it in. And there's, you know, push down and there's a mirror back here. So that's great to like put in your handbag. That was $13. Not overly expensive because, you know, most lipsticks are about, oops, everything's dropping. About 20 bucks, if not more, for a tube of lipstick. And I'm trying to think what their, it was $32 originally, but $13. So that's my box for FabFitFun. So I am excited for that. I wanted to share with you my lip combo. I have a lip liner on from LA Colors. And it's just right here. You can see the shade. I'll swatch. Right here. So this one over here is the lip liner. Very pretty. It's like a rosy pink type. And then I have a Lawless lipstick on today. And this is Tropic. One of my favorites right here. And I'll put it next to it. These are also very creamy. And it doesn't, it's more of a neutral-ish, pinkish, rose, things like that. But they're pretty good together. I haven't worn Lawless in a little while. So I figured, well, let me get, I was going to put a Lawless lip liner on too. And I figured, let me do off-brand just to see what I thought. So that's my FabFitFun for summer 2025. Always a favorite box. And I love that it's just quarterly, seasonally. Not to overwhelm, but I would say 9 times out of 10, I use everything that comes in the box. If there's something that I see that would make a good gift, you know, like at holiday time or share with my niece, my sister, things like that, you know, yeah, I'll get it. But, you know, I'm excited to try this more than, because you don't see, I mean, I do see poor masks. I'm not paying $10 for a mask. So this being like a couple bucks. And Soap and Glory is a very good brand, very affordable. You can get it in drugstore. I've seen it, I think, at Walgreens, maybe CVS, places like that. I'm sure I've seen it at other stores too, maybe Target. I'm really not sure. And this is for oily or combination skin. So, and I'm not really combination. I'm pretty much overall dry, but I figured, you know what, it didn't matter. I just want to try it for the pore aspect of it. So let me know your thoughts on FabFitFun for summer. Do you get FabFitFun? I think I do have boxes. I mean, the trial boxes to send out if you're interested. That you can just put that in the comments, or you can email my, you can't really email because I have a giveaway going on right now. I don't want to mix that in. Just state it in the comments down below. If you want to try a trial box, you basically just pay the shipping, but you cannot have ever received a trial box or been a FabFitFun member. This is to attract brand new members to FabFitFun. So if you are interested, I can let me know in the comments. I can get your email, and then I'll go onto FabFitFun, and then they send you an invite. I don't get anything from it. It's just to introduce you to FabFitFun. trying to think if you get 3 or 4 full-size products from them, and just pay the shipping, which I think is maybe $7. I don't know if it's going up. It's definitely worth it if you've never received it and you want to give it a try. Just let me know, and I'll be more than happy. I don't know if I have 3 or 5 boxes that I can send out. So if you're interested, let me know. I appreciate all of you. Hope you have a wonderful Saturday, and I'll see you all next week for more videos. Bye for now.